Hey guys, this is Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is live trading on YouTube, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I've been asked this a lot, what is live trading? I'm just going to answer it really briefly in a very straightforward way. Live trading, when you see it on YouTube, doesn't necessarily mean the person is trading live, the video is not live. What it does mean is, previously that day, he had a system recording while he was trading, and he is bringing you step by step through that trade and his results on it, and then later it's uploaded onto YouTube. So bear that in mind. It's not in the now, it's not exactly live. It's just a breakdown of the movement of the stock on that day. Because there's huge interest in live trading, I will be starting to live trade on the channel, so stay tuned for that. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. So guys, if you are interested in taking the Learn Plan Profit course, there is a link in the description below, and there's also a $25 off discount code. So help me help you. Also, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.